Hello guys, this is Tutorial Stream, and in this video you will learn how you can report courses in the SoloLearn mobile application on Android. So let us begin. Alright guys, so in the first tab, navigate to SoloLearn, log into your account, and tap into the community tab here at the bottom. From here you may navigate through the library of community created courses, and you can also tap into view more here to, for example, gain access to more of them. I will go with this one here for the sake of this tutorial. Now, that course here is totally okay, but just for the sake of this tutorial, if you, however, believe the given course violates any guidelines of SoloLearn, you may report it by tapping into these three dots in the top right. And after that, simply tap into report here. And after that, provide an information or reason why you decided to report this. Select one of these and tap into report to submit your reporting request, and then wait for it either to be accepted or to decline or to be processed by the team of SoloLearn. And that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.